Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy participated in the Ganesh Puja in Khairatabad area of the state capital on the auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. The Bhaginagar Ganesh Utsav Samiti set up a beautiful 70-foot tall idol of Ganesha's Hyderabad, Khairatabad for the occasion. Prominent figures in the attendance included Telangana Congress in charge Deepadas Munshi, Danam Nagender, and Corporator P. Vijayareddy conveyed the Ganesh Chaturthi wishes. Our representative Jyoti will provide more information regarding this.
Hello viewers, I am Jyoti. Right now I am at iconic Ganesh Pandal, which is located in Khairatabad, Hyderabad. As we can see here, this iconic Khairatabad Ganesh Pandal, where the city's tallest and most revered Ganesh idol stands tall. This 70-foot giant Sri Saptamukha Mahashakti Ganapati is the center of attention for lakhs of devotees and visitors. We are here to bring you the vibrant atmosphere, the devotion and the excitement of this spectacular festival. Let's take you closer to the action live from Khairatabad. Khairatabad Ganesh Utsav Committee has unveiled a 70-foot tall Ganesh idol this year. As we can see exclusively from the visuals, the idol named Sri Saptamukha Mahashakti Ganapati is a special attraction for devotees. The committee has made elaborate arrangements for the devotees, including barricades and queue lines to ensure a smooth darshan experience. The Khairatabad Ganesh idol has a history dating back to 1954 when it was first installed at a height of 1 foot. Every year the height of idol is increased by 1 foot. This year the idol is 70 feet tall and has been made using 1000 bags of clay, 18 tons of iron and 2000 meters of cotton cloth. The idol has 7 faces with the Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara on one side and Saraswati, Mahalakshmi and Parvati on the other. A 12-foot tall idol of Balarama has also been installed on the right side of the Ganesh idol. The committee has organized a special Agman program for the first time, which includes cultural events and dances. Lakhs of devotees are expected to visit the idol during the 10-day festival, and the committee has made arrangements to ensure a smooth experience for them. Last year, if you see, last year over 35 lakh devotees visited the Khairatabad Ganesh idol, and this year the numbers are expected to increase. The committee has appealed to devotees to cooperate with the security arrangements and maintain discipline during the festival. And the Honorable Chief Minister Revanth Reddy and Minister Ponnam Prabhakar Reddy visited the Khairatabad Ganesh Pandal and performed special pujas to the 70-foot tall Ganesh idol. They offered flowers, coconuts and the deity and prayed for the prosperity and well-being of the people of Telangana. After the rituals, they greeted the devotees and wished them a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. The CM and Minister were warmly welcomed by the committee members and devotees who were thrilled to see them at the Pandal. The CM and Minister's visit added to the festive atmosphere and devotees were thrilled to catch a glimpse of them. The committee has made elaborate arrangements for the festival, and the CM's visit is a testament to the Pandal's popularity. What do you say about the arrangements made by the committee?
This year it is a very special year. We are celebrating 70 years of Mahaganesh Utsav. Here everybody come from different parts of the state and have darshanam of Ganesh here. Last year Revanth Reddy has come as a PCC president, and this time he has come as a chief minister of the state, and he has offered the pujas. We believe that when we do the puja in this 11 days, every year, entire year will be very peaceful, and we believe that Ganesha blessings will be there with us for the whole year. Andarki kuda Ganesh Chaturthi Shubhakankshalu.
Thank you so much.
Over here it's like, I think, almost like Mumbai. I'm getting the similar vibe like Mumbai over here. So really loving it. And my name is Shreya Datta and my mom Sheila Datta.
లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ సే బెటర్.
చాలా పెద్ద వినాయకుడు ఫస్ట్ టైం చూడడం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అయితే సూపర్ ఉండింది. అరేంజ్మెంట్స్కి వచ్చేసరికి మేము చాలా ముందు వచ్చాము, అందరూ వచ్చారని వదిలేయడం వల్ల అసలు చాలా సఫోకేషన్ ఉండింది. అదొక్కటే కొంచెం ప్రాబ్లం అయింది, బట్ చాలా బాగుంది ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
దేశం దృష్టినంతా ఆకర్షించే విధంగా గణేష్ నవరాత్రి ఉత్సవాలు నిర్వహించి హైదరాబాద్ ఉత్సవాలను నిర్వహించడంలోనే దేశంలో గొప్ప గుర్తింపు గౌరవాన్ని పొందడం మనందరికీ తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రానికి గర్వ గణేష్ నవరాత్రి ఉత్సవాలు నిష్ఠతో భక్తి శ్రద్ధలతో నిర్వహించడం ద్వారా ఈ తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో శాంతి మత సామరస్యం పాడి పంటలు ప్రశాంతమైన వాతావరణంలో దేవుడి ఆశీర్వాదంతో మన రాష్ట్రం ముందడుగు వేస్తుంది. ప్రభుత్వము గణేష్ ఉత్సవాలను ప్రతిష్టాత్మకంగా తీసుకొని గణేష్ ఉత్సవ సమితి నాయకులందరినీ నిర్వాహకులందరినీ కూడా సచివాలయానికి ఆహ్వానించి అందులో ముఖ్యంగా ఖైరతాబాద్ గణేష్ ఉత్సవ సమితి నిర్వాహకులను కూడా రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం అధికారికంగా సచివాలయానికి ఆహ్వానించి వాళ్ళ సమస్యలు తెలుసుకొని గొప్పగా ఈ ఉత్సవాలను నిర్వహించడానికి అన్ని రకాలుగా రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం సహకారం అందించడం జరిగింది. అప్పుడు మేరకు స్వర్గీయ
That's the live update from iconic Khairatabad Ganesh Pandal. I am reporter Jyoti with cameraman Jagan. CVR English, Hyderabad. Hello viewers, I am Jyoti. Right now